Hello, it is Jade, the Aussie Adventuress here, and in this video I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to add cover photos to your Pinterest boards. Now, if you're anything like me and you like to stay on brand and you like things to look cohesive across all your platforms, then this is a really good way to keep that still on brand with you. So for example, if you look at my top two boards, you'll notice that both of them have covers now rather than just having a bunch of random pins, because if you're following pinning strategies where you're sharing other people's content as well as your own, then boards like this can start to look a bit messy and not on brand. So having a cover photo that suits your brand and matches just makes your account look a lot neater and visually appealing, and since Pinterest is visual, it's nice to have that so that people can recognize your brand right from the get-go. So what I want to show you how to do is how to actually create these covers and how to set them up. So as usual, we are using my favorite tool, Canva, and Pinterest board covers are a square shape, which I know it seems a bit weird because it's got a rectangle there, but the actual board cover is square, which is why there's two other photos there, so it won't fill up that space. So you do need to do it as a square. So when you come into Canva, you can just use the social media option, which is your square one. And then you can come in and as usual you can choose from all the different templates there and pick the one that you like. So I've got a template that I like now, so that's what I'm going to use. But what I am going to do is I'm going to just change the background image for some of mine. So what is my next board? My next board is blogging tips. So I'm going to just change it to this one so it's still kind of the same, but it's just got a little bit more fun stuff in there. Sometimes you just have to play around a bit, and then you just change the text. I might alternate colors so that it matches my brand, and I might make this one a bit bigger because there's less writing. I like it to take up the space. So, and I think I might even make that a different color background. Then you just download it. Then we come back to Pinterest and you come into the board and you have to create the pin first. And I like to just put the URL as the board URL. I'll fix that after. I'm just showing you the process for now. So you put in your website, put in your description, hit done, save it to the board you want it saved to. And then we come into editing the board, and where it's got the cover you can go change and see now it is in a square shape. So you just scroll through and it should be the one at the very end because it's the last one you've uploaded. Save the changes, save it, and then if you come back out to my profile and to my boards, you will now see that that cover is there as well. So you would just go through and do that for every board you've got, and that way it's a nice way to keep your Pinterest account looking cohesive and matching with your brand. So you've got your featured stuff up there, so you only want your content up the top, and then that way your boards look similar to what it looks like at the top because it's all your content. So that is how you can create Pinterest cover photos for your boards to ensure that it looks on brand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you like learning from me. Speak to you soon.